when I was probably 18, that's when I knew I wanted to become a lawyer.
It's been a long road filled with hard work and sacrifice that led Anthony Benjamin to his dream job as a lawyer.
I mean, it was a difficult time because, you know, I had to go to school, and then there was always the financial pressure because I didn't come from a wealthy family. And I think I was the first person going to university.
The St. Vincent-born lawyer who went to school in Trinidad eventually made his way to Canada. And after time working at the Finance Service Committee with the Attorney General of Ontario, Benjamin opened his own practice.
I had, while I was working with the Attorney General office, I was in a particular unit where we dealt heavily with a lot of insurance law and pension law. And when I came out on my own, I had a choice, and I decided I would start with personal injury, because I think it's an area where our community wasn't properly served, and where I think I could bring a different light in terms of providing a family-oriented approach to the practice of law in that sector.
Family for Benjamin is key, so much so when you look at his roster of employees, you'll see 2 more Benjamins on the webpage, his daughters.
Our dad was like my hero, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to be a lawyer when I grow up.
Both of my parents are lawyers, so I looked at them, I saw the respect that came with being lawyers, always helping people, advocating, and all of these things. So I looked at it as them being super cool, super exciting, and I also wanted to follow in their footsteps. So literally from the time I understood that my parents were lawyers, they went to court, they fought for people, I decided that I want to do the same thing.
You heard that right. Both Benjamin daughters are following in their parents' footsteps. They decided to showcase it on TikTok with a video. It's been watched more than 700,000 times and counting.
And for it to go viral within our community and wider, because quite often so much emphasis is placed on all the problems that not enough is placed on the many years of success. And I think to that extent, I was impressed.
The family wants their story out there so people can see that families can work together.
A lot of people assume that we fight all of the time and it's this big argument 24/7, but our family's very, very close, and we're used to working together, whether or not it's at home on projects and whatever. So it's actually pretty awesome.
But more importantly, showing the Black community that anything is possible as long as you do one thing.
Even if you don't see yourself in the media in a certain role, it doesn't mean that you're excluded from that position. And all you have to do is have commitment and put in the hard work to get to where you want to go.
Benjamin told City News he hopes his daughters will carry on his legacy of hard work in law and advocacy in the Black community. If you'd like more information, you can head to our website, citynews.ca/extras. Brandon Rose, City News.